How to send text with effects on iOS 18. iOS 18 brought a lot of cool and useful things. One of them is to add an effect to the text when you send a message. If you want to find out how you could do it, stay until the end of the video. So let's get started. Okay, first of all, you must know that you can send this option only if you are updated to iOS 18. Also, this only applies to iMessage conversations. The procedure is very simple. Open the conversation you want. Type some text into the field as you normally do. Now select the part of the text you want to animate. When you did it, in the menu that appeared above the text, find the text effect option. Here, a menu will open in the lower part of the screen where you can choose some of the standard settings such as bold text or others. However, below the list you can see the effects that you can add to the text or part of the text. Just choose the effect you want and that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more similar tips, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update from us. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.